How to sign up on Koinpark. Here is how. First, visit the Sign Up page of the Koinpark. Next, enter your mobile number and email address to keep your account secure. Now, create a strong password with at least 8 characters, including letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. If you have a referral or franchise ID, enter it here to unlock special benefits. After that, check the Terms and Conditions box and tap Create Account, then check the I'm not a robot box to verify your identity. Finally, you will see a pop-up message and receive an email confirmation for your Koinpark account creation.